Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and this week I'm going to give you a brief little book review on My Lady Jane by Cynthia Hand, Rhodey Ashton, and Jodi Meadows. If, when hearing the name Lady Jane Grey, you picture the poor Queen of England who took the throne after the demise of her cousin Edward VI, only to be ousted 9 days later by her other cousin Mary I, please disregard your knowledge, especially the beheading of Jane. That does not make for a happily ever after. This fanciful, humor-filled story loosely, very, very loosely, based on the story of Lady Jane Grey, will captivate high school readers as they are catapulted to England 1553. Our narrators have chosen to revise history in which Ethians and Verities exist, and they absolutely despise one another. Ethians can transform into various animals. Henry VIII was a lion. While Verities find the whole transforming into a beast a vile ability. Lady Jane Grey, our innocent embarking on one heck of a journey, finds herself married to a stranger and then crowned Queen of England when all she wants to do is read her books. But she takes up the crown and does what she can for the betterment of the kingdom. The narrators tell the stories of Jane, Edward, and Gifford in a humorous manner as these three teenagers find themselves amidst political intrigue and people who can transform into all sorts of animals, all while battling their teenage hormones. Gasp! Ankles! Though obviously not a historically accurate tale, one of the main characters spends an awful lot of time as a horse, the narrators easily grab readers with tidbits of history, political deception, 16th century teenage romance, and aspects of shifter fantasy. The variety of well-timed humor incorporated throughout the narrative adds to these tidbits, creating a well-rounded, captivating story. This would be an excellent addition to any school, public, or classroom library. Appealing to teenagers 8th through 12th grade, My Lady Jane demonstrates how to make the best of unfortunate circumstances and that personal growth sometimes comes with sacrifice. Anyone who enjoys fantasy, humor, romance, and alternate realities of history would completely enjoy this book. The narrators have continued on with this series with My Plain Jane and My Calamity Jane. I'll talk to y'all later.